In this video, I will show you how to set up and connect your FitCloudPro Smartwatch with phone. Now, it doesn't matter the phone you're using, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect and set up your FitCloudPro Smartwatch with your phone. In addition to that, I'm also going to be showing you how to do certain things like receiving your WhatsApp messages and notifications, making calls with the smartwatch, being able to change the wallpaper, and other interesting features of the FitCloudPro Smartwatch. Now, first things first, in order for you to connect the FitCloudPro Smartwatch with your phone, what you want to do is to go ahead and get the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app from the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Now, if you're not so sure if your smartwatch actually uses the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, what you can actually do is to go ahead and scan the QR code at the paperwork that actually comes with your smartwatch, or alternatively, if you actually come over to the smartwatch app and then you just go over to the settings of the smartwatch, you should be able to find the QR code over here. So just go ahead and scan this QR code using your phone. So open up the camera app on your phone and then just scan the QR code over here. And once you scan this QR code and open it up on the browser, you should be able to find out whether your smartwatch actually uses the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app or any other app. If it is not the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, you can actually just drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to help you on how to connect and set up your own smartwatch app with your phone. But if you have been able to confirm that your smartwatch actually uses the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, go over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and then come over to the search bar over here. Go ahead and search for the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, select it, and then make sure you download and install this app into your phone. And once the app is done downloading and installing, what you want to do before you open up the app is to just scroll over to the notification center on your phone. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Once that is done, you can now go ahead and open up the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. So click on agree over here, and then you want to go ahead and sign up or sign into the app if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, just click on the no account create new option over here and then go ahead and enter your email and then your password as well. Once you're done, you can click on the register button over here. At this point, you want to go ahead and enter your nickname, any preferred nickname of your choice. Enter your date of birth, your sex, your height, and then your weight as well. You can now come over here and click on the done button, just like so, and then click on next. Now, you actually want to give the app permission to search for nearby devices so that it can actually connect with your FitCloudPro Smartwatch. So click on OK, then click on the allow button over here. And now it is now searching for available FitCloudPro smartwatches it can actually connect to. At this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the connect button over here. Just give it some few minutes, then click on check button over here, and just like so, we have successfully bind both the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app and the FitCloudPro. Now, you will be asked to update it, but first of all, make sure you actually pair both devices. So click on the pair button over here. Now you want to go ahead and update the smartwatch. So click on upgrade over here, then click on upgrade, and after some minutes the update is going to be completed and you can now properly use the app. Now, what you want to do is to go back to the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. Now that we have successfully connected the FitCloudPro Smartwatch to our phone, I will now go ahead to show you some of the interesting features that actually comes with the smartwatch. Now, take for instance, if you actually want to change the wallpaper or the watch face of your FitCloudPro Smartwatch, what you want to do is to come over to the devices tab over here, or device tab, click on the I know, and then from over here you want to click on the dial library. And once it finishes to load, you just want to select the first option, just like so, and then click on the plus icon over here, click on select picture, and you'll be taken to your library where you can actually select any picture of your choice. Now, just go ahead and select any picture you want to use as your wallpaper or your watch face. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this picture over here. And once you select it, you'll be asked to resize. Just go ahead and click on the OK button at the bottom. At this point, you can go ahead and make other customization like changing the style if you want, and even the position if you want as well. But basically, once you're done, just go ahead and click on create style. And automatically, once you click on the push button, this particular image will now be used as the wallpaper for your FitCloudPro Smartwatch. And once it is done, you can now see that we have now been able to successfully use this image as our wallpaper for the FitCloudPro Smartwatch. Now, there are also other interesting things you can actually do with this smartwatch. For instance, you can actually make calls. So once you press on this button over here and then just go over to the telephone option, you should be able to make call. So I can just try to call a number over here and click on the plus icon, just like so. And you're going to see that that same call is going to be made on my phone as well. Now, there are also other interesting things that comes with the smartwatch. So if you want to be able to receive all of your Facebook and social media notifications, like your WhatsApp messages and so on, what you want to do is to basically just go over to the push notification settings under devices on the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, just like so. And then you just want to go ahead and click on the turn on button over here, click on OK, and then just give it all of the permission it needs. At this point, click on OK and then click on OK. Once you get to this pop-up that shows hint, what you want to do is to click on the OK button on your phone and then just go ahead and look for the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app from over here. Then make sure you give it permission to access, allow all notification access over here. So click on this button. And once this permission is actually turned on, you want to go back to the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, click on turn on, and automatically all of these notifications will be turned on for the FitCloudPro Smartwatch. So from now henceforth, whenever you receive your Facebook messages, your WhatsApp messages, Instagram notifications and messages, they will automatically be shown on your FitCloudPro Smartwatch as well. However, if you want to turn off this feature, you can go ahead and turn it off for any social media you want from over here. So I can actually turn it off for WhatsApp or turn it on for WhatsApp if I want. Another interesting feature you can actually do with the FitCloudPro Smartwatch is to actually find the smartwatch from wherever it is. So take for instance, if I click on the find watch feature over here, the smartwatch automatically starts to vibrate. So you can actually see an example of my Instagram notification that just came in. Now the smartwatch actually starts to vibrate once I press on the find smartwatch feature over here. And also vice versa, you can actually use the smartwatch to look for your phone as well. If you want to change from a 12 hours to a 24 hours type of time format, you can actually just come over to the hours style over here and either choose for a 12-hour or a 24-hour type of time format. But basically, these are actually some of the features you would get with the FitCloudPro Smartwatch when it is connected to your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.